Hi, everyone. I hope you're doing great tonight, wherever you are in the world. Happy Father's Day for those are you that are celebrating Father's Day here in the United States or maybe somewhere else. I wanted to make a video. It's been a long time since I've made a video. I think few months, lots going on, but in the meantime, I've been trying to learn as much as I can about what are some good investment choices out there? In particular, how risky is this cryptocurrency? Getting into cryptocurrency and how does it compare to the stock market? And I just been doing a lot of research. I wanted to talk to you about that. So, with that said, let's get started. So. First topic I wanted to cover is everything that we've been seeing in the crypto market, and it makes some people nervous, to see Bitcoin from a high of 57, 60,000 come down into the mid 30 range, and then very nervous. Some people are very nervous that it's going to go down even further, but that's why I've been thinking about this. Is no matter which way we cut this or which way we look at it, basically cryptocurrency is a great concept, and I believe it's here to stay. As always, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes, as purely speculation. But basically, on the research that I've been doing, cryptocurrency is getting a lot of adoption. So we saw it with Tesla. That's nothing new. Tesla first they adopted it, and then they said they weren't going to take it anymore because of the environmental aspects of it. So some people thought that was hypocritical. It was a hypocrite thing to do, to say you're going to accept it and then not accept it and turn around and but either way, now the latest rumor is what's going to happen with Dogecoin. Is Tesla going to start accepting Doge? So that's going to be a major catalyst. The more adoption that these cryptocurrencies gain, then that is a huge catalyst to them. And also the supply and demand of these coins. So as they burn off, I think another one is Shiba Inu that has trillions of tokens out in circulation. But once they get burned off and the amounts lessen into the billion range instead of the trillions, for some of these tokens such as Shiba Inu, it's likely to, because of supply demand, just raise the price. But that's my opinion, that crypto is here to stay because of decentralization. And not only that, if you look at your bank account, your savings account, even if you open a CD, you'd be lucky to get 2 or 3% in a traditional account. You won't see that. And then the other benefit of crypto is if you believe in it long term and you are comfortable with, let's say, 10% of your portfolio is in crypto, then you take that crypto and you can lend it out to others for a return. So I believe some of the ones that I've been researching are crypto.com. I think I really like that one because they actually give you a return on your crypto. Coinbase, I don't know, the standard one, I couldn't find it. Or either that or it was too low of a return. But I know crypto.com, you can go there, and I'm not sponsored by any of these companies. This is basically research and apps that have worked for me, or companies that have worked for me. And you can do like a 3-month term on there. So basically, you can't touch whatever you set. you can't touch it for 3 months. It's locked in, but it'll give you an annual percentage rating on there. That's your annualized return. So, you might have your crypto locked up for 90 days and it'll give you an annualized return equivalent of 4.5% on Bitcoin right now, that I'm aware of. And, things fluctuate and they change quite frequently. So you'll want to do your own research. But crypto.com was one that I found. I tried to find the headquarters. I believe they're out of Hong Kong. So you kind of want to be careful, with the exchanges. Try to utilize reputable ones such as Coinbase, and you should be fine. Another strategy that might work for you is if you don't know which one to trust, maybe don't put all your eggs in one basket. Maybe you try one or two of them that are reputable and you split your portfolio into the two. But yeah, the main benefit is that make sure you're getting a return on your money. That is huge. I think some of these are just simple interest. It's not compounded. So either way, even if it's not compounded, it's still better than getting nothing of a return on your crypto and just letting it sit there. Obviously you're going to get the value of the growth from the crypto, but it just enhances it much more if you can then, incrementally get interest earnings from lending it out. So that was crypto.com. And then I wanted to talk about another concept related to the lending was on certain exchanges. I think Block 5, if I remember correctly, and there's also KuCoin. I think KuCoin is based out of Singapore. Basically, you can do what's called soft staking. So similar concept. You buy a stable coin on the exchange, then you use that stable coin to purchase the crypto staking option. So for example, they have one that's called Hydra on there. They might have a few others. I don't want to say any names because I haven't looked at all of them, but Hydra is one that it's a project that basically they're working on where it's supposed to use the smart contracts, and then it's supposed to look at a couple of other technologies, and then what happens is that Hydra will give you a annual percentage rate return that is quite significant, but with everything there's probably a lot of risk involved. But I did put a little bit in it and I've been monitoring it, and I put under a few $100 into it, and then it's growing every day. They send me a little bit of Hydra, and then it just accumulates through the period which you stake your coins. And I'll try to do some more research and actually show you visually what it looks like, but I just wanted to bring it up in case people don't know about it, because one of the benefits is that it's just it's I don't know if it's apples to apples compounded interest, but you're making more interest on your money than you would on a traditional savings account. And then again, you're taking a lot more risks, so keep that in mind. I mean, with cryptocurrency, you never know. Somebody famous, somebody like Warren Buffett might come out and bash crypto, saying it's not worth anything, or maybe it's already been done, and that just leads to corrections within the crypto world. But and then another thing, personally for me is you have to think about 10 years out, right? This isn't going to happen overnight. Bitcoin isn't going to go to, $390,000 overnight. It's going to take time, and there's actual valuations out there that some banks or institutions or financial institutions think that it might go to $1 million, and then Ethereum might go to $190,000. So just keep that in mind. It's possible. So as we see that Ethereum and Bitcoin past few weeks and many others, because Bitcoin is basically um, the benchmark for all cryptos. So if it's doing good, then other cryptos will follow. And if it's falling, then the whole market is falling. So, there's a lot of articles out there saying that even Ethereum is going to grow and, surpass Bitcoin. So that's all interesting stuff. And I just wanted to share this with you. I hope it's been of value. And like I said, I'm going to try to get some graphs and some visuals for you so you can see, and the actual names of the websites. I'll try to put those in the description below so you can look for them there. But yeah, just keep that in mind. Keep an open mind with your financial investments and do your due diligence. And I wish you the best of luck. Have a great rest of your Father's Day weekend. Take care.